You can't get high off bed liner spray. Oh, hello YouTube. We're done. Man, this stuff stinks. I couldn't find my dust. They're just dust masks. I don't have a respirator. And the breeze was kind of blowing up underneath the car, even though I was keeping a distance away. But I was wearing my gloves and my goggles. I want that stuff on my eyeglasses. But okay, we'll pause. We'll show you the big reveal. Okay, there it is. Sorry about the lines in the camera. This old one don't like the light. We're afraid to get any close. We're about 10 feet away. It'll look bad. The bondle's not smooth. Believe me, it's all wavy and everything. We did paint fender, extend it, because you see it goes all the way to the wheel there. We're off to the hardware store today to try to find some screws for them mud flaps with the, kind of the heads on it. But we'll snap a couple of pictures. We'll try to get an angle where it looks good. But we did not open the door and spray in the sill. We had paper wrapped around the bottom of the door, and the overspray got just up in the sill about that far. So it's up in there. There's a few little rough spots, so I want to work on that someday, and then I'll shoot another quick coat across everything. So we'll probably pick up another can of it. That weird line in there. This old camera always did that. Okay, thanks for watching. One of these days we'll paint the rims. You can see the rims all painted. So this one's a real short one. We'll give you some photos.